Imagine you are standing in the middle of massive glowing digital city. You've built the skyscrapers, you've wired the electricity, and you have even hired the staff. But then you look around and realize you don't actually have a map. You've built a lot of stuff, but is it the right stuff? Are you spending too much money? Is there a backdoor left open in your security? Are your servers actually ready if a disaster hits? In the cloud, it is very easy to get lost. But today, we are going to find our North Star. Welcome to the Planet Tech. This is Minhaj, your guide to success, and you're listening to the AZ900 audiobook series, Chapter 16. So, today we are looking at the two greatest guides in the Microsoft ecosystem, the Azure Advisor and the Cloud Adoption Framework. Let's start with the tool you will use every single week, Azure Advisor. Think of Azure Advisor as world-class cloud consultant who lives inside your portal and works for free. It constantly scans your entire environment and gives a personalized to-do list to make things better. Azure Advisor focuses on 5 key pillars. For example, you need to know these categories. The first one is cost. It finds servers you aren't using and tells you to shut them down to save money. Second, security. It integrates with Microsoft Defender to tell you if you have left port open or forgot to turn on multi-factor authentication. 3. Reliability. It warns you if you have a single point of failure and suggests moving to availability zone. 4. Operational excellence. It helps it helps you manage your resource it helps you manage your resource more efficiently. 5. Performance. It tells you if your database is struggling and needs more power. The exam insight. If a question asks for personalized recommendation to optimize your specific environment across cost, security, or performance, the answer is Azure Advisor. Azure Advisor is a fixing what you have already built. But what if you haven't started yet? What if your company is still nervous about moving to the cloud? You are using Microsoft Cloud Adoption Framework or CAF. This isn't a tool, it's a massive set of documentations, best practices, and proven tools created by Microsoft engineers. It is the master blueprint for moving an entire company to the cloud. It follows a specific journey. It starts with strategy, where it asks, why are you moving? To save money or to innovate faster. Then it moves to plan, checking if your staff is ready and your digital estate is mapped out. Then it checks for if you are ready, building your landing zone. If you're ready, building your landing zone, the basic setup of networks and security. Then to adopt, actually moving the servers or building new apps. Then govern and manage, keeping the environment safe and running long term. The exam insight. If the question mentions a framework or a life cycle to guide a company's journey into the cloud, you are looking for the CAF. There is a cousin to CAF called the Wall Architect Framework, WAF. While the CAF is about the journey of the whole company, the WAF is about the quality of a single application. It uses the same 5 pillars we saw in Azure Advisor: cost, security, reliability, etc. Think of it as the CAF with the map for the whole trip. Think of it this way: The CF is the map for the whole trip. The WF is the inspection report for the car you are driving. And the Azure Advisor is the dashboard light telling you that you are low on the oil right now. You're no longer just building things, you are architecting with purpose. By using the Advisor, the cloud adoption framework, you ensure that every dollar spent and every server built is aligned with the master plan. You are the navigator of the digital city. We are entering the final countdown. In the chapter 17, we are going to look at the police force of the cloud, the Azure policy and blueprints. We'll learn how to set the rules so that nobody can break the master plan you have just created. I am Minhaj, your guide to success, and you're listening to the AZ900 audiobook series at The Planet Tech. Stay on the path, and I'll see you in the next chapter.